Esto es pura mierda.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. The years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense, not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. Only shooting stars break the mold. It's a cool place, and they say it gets colder. You're bundled up now, wait till you get older. But the media men beg to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. The ice we skate is getting pretty thin. The water's getting warm, so you might as well swim. My world's on fire, how about yours?
Cuidado con el ogro, no se acerque.
Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Hi guys, today we are going to make a breakfast, so here we are. Step 1, we have to choose a good playlist. Here's my playlist. So, the things that we are going to use to make a breakfast are flour, wheat flour, butter, eggs, condensed milk, and milk. So, here we are. Okay guys, now we need to mix a half a cup of hot cake flour, a quarter cup of wheat flour, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of butter, and a quarter cup of orange juice. So let's go to mix. Please guys, don't forget to preheat the pan, okay? So we can help us with a little of butter and we can expand this of the pan, okay? Now I am going to explain just because I need the 2 hands to do it. So carefully pour the ingredients into the pan and try to give it a round shape, okay? So I am going to do it, so I need to cut. While we hold on our cake, we can enjoy our beautiful, beautiful song. So here we are guys. And it's ready guys. Now, if you want, you can pour any kind of syrup on it, but if I am honest with you, I really love honey. So, let's go to it, guys. I also want to say that I tried to make another cakes, but it was a really fail. So, I prefer that.